Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 31st, 2014. Happy New Year, everyone out there. It's the last day of 2014. Tomorrow is 2015, obviously. And hopefully, with the new year, we get a much more favorable weather pattern for winter storms on the way. For this morning, it is cold out there. That is one thing that has definitely changed in our weather pattern. We've gotten much colder. You can literally see the urban heat island effect in place here. Over the interior, temperatures are in the upper teens to lower 20s, and in some of the coastal areas, temperatures are in the mid to upper teens where we've had skies clear out. But in your urban locations, you have temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s in many locations, right around 30 degrees in New York City. So clearly, where you have your urban heat island effect, you're closer to freezing. Where you don't, you're in the teens and 20s. With scattered cloud cover to clear skies throughout the region and winds from the west at around 5 miles per hour. Now, the latest surface map clearly shows our Arctic high pressure dominating the eastern two-thirds of the United States. And of course, that means little, if any, precipitation is in place throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. There is a threat for maybe an isolated flurry, but that's about it for the region. Other than that, we're dealing with clear skies, dry conditions all the way through the end of this week. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see pretty much high and dry out there. We do have a few disturbances out here with those snow flurries. This is all cold air, not cloud cover. That's how cold this air mass is throughout the eastern United States. On the water vapor satellite picture, I overlaid the upper level winds again to kind of show we have a split pattern here with the subtropical jet stream and the polar jet stream. Now, we definitely have cold air in place, but notice there's not much in the way of blocking in the northern Atlantic. And what that basically means is that any threat for a winter storm is kind of killed because of the way that this pattern is aligned. Basically, low pressure systems start to phase into plains, and then they're able to lift up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley rather than forced along the coast. And so that means our next storm, for some of these snow lovers, unfortunately may start off as snow, but it's going to end as a lot of rain on Sunday. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the PennState AWOL website. I'm going to use the European model guidance, and again for today, high pressure and control. Temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. High pressure will remain in place for tomorrow, with temperatures ranging from the mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. High temperatures tomorrow in the lower 30s over the interior, mid-30s along the coast. By the time we get to Friday, again, high pressure is pretty much in control. Temperatures ranging from the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures a little bit closer to near normal levels in the mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to low 40s along the coast. Now, our area of low pressure will start to develop. Here's one disturbance and here's the other disturbance. By the time we get to Saturday, those two disturbances start to interact over the plains, and that is going to allow our low pressure system to track towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. Initially on Saturday night, we'll see some snow push into the region. It's going to quickly change over to rain. Any accumulation is going to be pretty limited. We'll wait another day or so to nail down any accumulation potential. But basically, the idea is that the first wave of precipitation will be some sort of frozen precipitation, even along the coast, rapidly changing over to rain as that easterly wind takes shape. And then on Sunday, that low pressure system moves through. Periods of rain mostly in the morning, clearing out in the afternoon. Now, temperatures on Saturday will range from the lower to mid 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to low 40s along the coast. Then on Sunday, look for your low temperatures basically in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s throughout the region. That low pressure system exits and Arctic air comes right back in for Monday and Tuesday with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Watch out for a few scattered snow showers. Not much in the way of accumulation. Temperatures will range from the mid 20s over the interior and upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast on Monday. High temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much though, in the lower to mid 30s. And then on Tuesday, low temperatures in the mid teens, lower to mid teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast, and high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region. So we're definitely in a colder regime, just not one that supports a major winter storm. Yet. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, have a happy new year. Stay safe out there. Don't drink and drive. And just go out there and have a good time. Thank you for following NY and JPA Weather. Have a happy 2015. I'll see you next year.